Are you trying to decide between Seafile, Syncthing, and Nextcloud? You're not alone. In this video, we'll compare these three popular file syncing solutions. All three tools help you store and share files across devices. They keep your data safe and accessible, but they have different features and strengths. Let's start with Cfile. This tool is known for its speed and efficiency. It allows you to sync files quickly. Cfile also offers strong security features. You can encrypt your data easily. It's a great choice for teams needing reliable file sharing. Now, let's talk about Syncthing. This tool is unique because it works peer to peer. This means your files go directly from one device to another. You don't need a central server. Syncing is open source, which many users appreciate. It's also very user friendly and works well on various platforms. Next up is Nextcloud. This tool goes beyond file syncing. It offers a full suite of collaboration features. You can share files, manage calendars, and even chat with your team. Nextcloud is also open source and highly customizable. It's great for businesses that want an all in one solution. So, what are the key differences? Cfile is best for speed and security. Syncing shines with its direct syncing and simplicity. Nextcloud stands out for its collaboration tools. When it comes to pricing, Cfile and Nextcloud offer both free and paid plans. Syncing is completely free since it's open source. In the end, if you need fast and secure file syncing, go with Cfile. If you prefer a simple, direct approach, choose Syncthing. And if you want a full collaboration platform, Nextcloud is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.